Hello everyone, I welcome you to the research paper titled Exploring Alternative Security Architectures for Improved Resilience Against Cyber Attacks, authored by Dr. Rachel John Robinson and Mr. Benjamin Vangel. This short video is going to introduce the literature base adopted as part of the study. Come, let's get to know about it. As part of research foundation or the literature base for the whole study, it is basically to understand the varying patterns of the banking landscape that grapples upon the growing concerns of cybersecurity incidences. Here it is to incorporate and prioritize to see the scrutinization of traditional security models employed in the financial landscape. So to do this, the literature has been divided into four major topics, as you can see, starting from the traditional security models. Here a detailed study was incorporated in terms of the security models, the traditional security models in banking, and what could be the perimeter-based security models that are existing, and try to understand the limitations of those security models. So this was been detailed in the first aspect of the study. And then coming into the introduction of ZTA or Zero Trust Architecture, here the evaluation was done in terms of seeing the security paradigm of the foundational base of ZTA and where does ZTA take a place in the evolution of security in today's parlance, and then trying to identify what are the continuous verification processes like least privilege access, microsegmentation, etc. that could be incorporated along with ZTA to have a more robust security models. Then the next aspect was to see how the ZTA principles could be interaligned to the banking challenges. So here the concentration was in terms of the principles of ZTA getting to be studied along with continuous verifications in the aspects of least trust architecture or least privilege access, microsegmentation, and then getting all this to be interaligned to the banking challenges. Ideally, so the research gap identified after a detailed incorporation of all the study areas, one thing was noted is to identify the emerging incidences as part of the financial or the banking landscape, and trying to provide it with a ZTA model framework to fix into those risks that has been identified as part of the current traditional model. So then we get into to see how these models could be incorporated as part of the research. You can follow me on these pages and platforms for more exciting research content. Thank you.